What's up, folks? This is XLIELTS, and I'm Harbinder Singh. Today, I'm here to share a very important update with you guys, and that update is regarding paper-based IELTS exams. Yes, you heard it right, paper-based IELTS exams. As you guys know, that from past few days, from past 2 months, sorry, due to COVID, due to the second wave of COVID, to be more precisely, these tests were cancelled, and a lot of students who had booked the test earlier, their tests were also postponed. So now the official announcement has been received, and both IDP and British Council have confirmed it that they are going to start the test from 12th of June. Okay, so from after 2 days, it's from today. 12th of June, the exams will start again. So all the students whose test was pending, their test, I guess, will be on 12th June. So you guys check in your login section. You might have got an email or you might have got an update over there. Be careful with this. And here, this is an official notification from IDP IELTS, which states that with extra care, extra safety, and extra precautions, we are conducting paper-based IELTS testing in below mentioned cities on 12th June. So these are the cities in which this test will be conducted. And when it comes to Punjab precisely, it is only Jalandhar and Chandigarh where this conducted test will be conducted on 12th. But let's hope soon in other cities of Punjab and other cities of India as well, the tests will start again. Okay, so let's say, guys, the exams are fast approaching, so be prepared and keep on practicing. And all the best, and God bless you. Always remember, knowledge is the real power. Signing off, bye bye.